Good morning, children. We were reading chapter number 7, Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. We have read about the many hot desert around the world. Sahara is the biggest one. We have now reading about the Saudi Arabia, which is located in the Arabian Peninsula. We have learned about the location of the Saudi Arabia and its neighboring countries and the climate over there. I have told you that it's very arid and there is no river at all. What is there? There is oases. Okay. So let's continue today's topic. Okay, it is vegetation over there. So Saudi Arabia basically is a desert area. Okay, so very less vegetation is over there. Like vegetation is limited. Weeds, grasses, cacti, thorny shrubs and bushes, they are only grown over here. Weeds yani unwanted plants. Grasses, small grasses. Okay, cacti is cactus plural. Thorny shrubs means the plants which have spines, plants जिनके कांटे होते हैं. Or some bushes grown over there. This is the only vegetation found there. Soil is sandy soil. अच्छा, सैंडी सॉइल होती है, इसका मतलब सैंडी सॉइल डू नॉट होल्ड वाटर मोर. ओके, वेरी सैंडी. एंड क्लाइमेट इज ड्राई बिकॉज इट इज अ desert. Okay, these plants have adapted themselves in harsh condition of Saudi Arabia and can survive here. So have you learned about adaptation in plants in science book? That the plant used to adapt themselves around the hot and dry condition. Up, if we talk about Saudi Arabia, it's a desert area. Okay children, तो यहाँ पर बड़ी बड़ी लीफ वाले प्लांट तो उग ही नहीं सकते. यहाँ पे सिर्फ कैक्टाई और वो प्लांट्स उग सकते हैं जो जिसने इस क्लाइमेट को अडेप्ट कर लिया है. ओके, यू हैव लर्न ऑल दीज इन साइंस. So date palms grown in many oases and wadis of Saudi Arabia. So you can see this is an oasis and you can see the trees of date palms. Date palms means khajur. You can see these trees. So what is this? It's an oasis. Oasis is a pond like structure where the water is available in a desert. Okay, and what is found there? Date palms. Date palms grow in many oases and wadis in Saudi Arabia. Besides, where there is an oasis, जहाँ पर भी oases होते हैं, people dig well and use water to grow crop like wheat and barley. So over here, where are the oases? People dig well, and what they cultivate? They cultivate wheat and barley. So near the oases they also do irrigation, also do agriculture. Okay, melons and tomatoes are grown in farms by mixing soil with sand. They also they grow melon and tomatoes. Okay, and where they are getting water? By desalination. Desalination mean using seawater for irrigation by removing the salt. है ना, desalination means removing salt from seawater. Seawater में से salt को remove करना क्या होता है? Desalination. So you have seen the map of Saudi Arabia. This all is salty water here and here. So what they are using? They are removing salt from this water and use this water for irrigation. And what they grow? They grow melon, tomatoes, wheat and barley. They also dig wells for it. So this is all about the vegetation. It is very limited. Not much plants are found there and not much vegetation had done there. But date palms are very very famous of Saudi Arabia. Now let's move towards the wildlife. Okay, only those animals or those flora and fauna are present there which adapt themselves in this harsh dry climate. Okay, so children, you know that in desert what we use the most? It's a camel. So the most useful animal in the desert is the camel. Like we can see camel in Rajasthan also. So here also camels are very important. So the camel is well adapted to the desert condition. Camel ने क्या कर लिया है, अपने आप को adapt कर लिया है in condition में. It can stay without food or water for days. For many days it can stay without food and water. It has paddy feet. Paddy feet means इसके feet कैसे हैं, गद्दे वाले हैं, paddy हैं. Paddy are well suited for walking and running on the desert. Like if we step on sand, our sand will go inside the sand. If we step on desert, अगर हम desert पे step रखेंगे या फिर goats और cows desert पे step रखेंगे, so what will happen, वहाँ पे sandy soil होता है, हमारे पैर उसके अंदर धंस जाएंगे और we have to do a lot of hard work in walking in sand. But if we talk about the camels, तो camels के feet क्या होते हैं, बहुत चौड़े और paddy होते हैं, है ना. So it will not go inside and camel can easily run and walk in desert. So it is a popular means of transport and also known as the ship of desert. Okay, how is camel is walking on the desert? Because of its paddy feet, and it can survive without food and water. So it is also known as the ship of desert. Other native animals including oryx, baboons, leopards, wolves, hyenas, rats and jerboas. These all animals also found here in Saudi Arabia. Picture of oryx is also given in your book. Now, life of the people. So, the people of Saudi Arabia are nomads. Nomads are those people who move from one place to another in search of food and water. We have learned about nomads in previous chapter also. So the people, conventionally the Saudi Arabia inhabited by nomads. Why? Because Saudi Arabia is a desert area. All the things are not available in one place, so they have to move from one place to another. Okay, so the people of Saudi Arabia are nomads who used to keep moving from one place to another in search of food and water. What they have to search? Food and water for themselves and green pastures for their cattle. Green pasture means chara, okay, for their cattle. These nomads strive to make parts of Saudi Arabia even today. And they live in tents. Where they live? Tents made up of animal skin and coarse cloth. So where they are living in tent made of animal skin. Okay, and the nomads of Saudi Arabia are called Bedouins. What they are called? Bedouins. So generally the people of Saudi Arabia are nomads who move from one place to another in search of food and water and green pasture for their cattle. They live in tents made up of skin and coarse cloth. The nomads of Saudi Arabia are known as Bedouins. The Bedouins always move in a group, forming a long row of camels. Okay, so there are not only 1-2 people, there is a whole group. They are moving on rows of camels. Okay, so people and trends or pilgrims travel together on camelback across the desert are called caravans. So these nomadic people or the people who are traveling on the top of the camel, sitting on the camel in a long row, they are known as the caravans. मतलब एक long row में camels जा रहे होते हैं, उनके ऊपर लोग भी होते हैं, nomadic people. They are called the caravans. Okay. So the Bedouins sell and buy animals product, dates, date means date palms, food grains, etc. Okay, at the village marketplace to earn their livelihood. So what they are selling? They have animals like camel, they have cattle. So they sell their products like milk, curd, and meat to get money and spend their life. Now what happened? Many people began to settle near oases and practice farming. Okay, they also do the farming also. They make their houses from sun-dried brick and make villages develop in such areas. So they sun-dried brick का मतलब धूप में सुखाई हुई ईंटें. Okay, so now the people also settled one place and living there only. They are not supposed to move here and there like nomads. Some people living near oases and do farming. Now religion, language and dress. Okay, so the official religion of Saudi Arabia is Islam. Okay, and the people of here are called Muslims. So the official religion of the people of Saudi Arabia is Islam and the people are here are Muslims. The official language of Saudi Arabia is Arabic. Okay, it sounds like Urdu, but it is written differently. So Islam is the official religion and Arabic is the official language. So men generally wear long ankle length cotton robe called thob. You can see this white dress. Okay, this man is wearing. This is up to the ankle length, means ये नीचे तक होता है पूरा उनके legs तक होता है. इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Top. Okay, it is of white color and a head guard called gatra. Okay, head guard means this. So this is the dress of men over there. They wear a thob and gatra, which protect them from excessive heat of sun. Why they are wearing this head guard? Because the sun is shining on the top, so they can prevent it from heat. Women wear a long black robe called abaya. Okay, you can see this woman is wearing a long black robe. It is also up to ankle length. Keep their head covered with hijab. So this black covering cloth is called hijab. So this is the official dress of men and women everywhere in Saudi Arabia. So this is about the language and the religion and the dresses. Now let's talk about the culture over here. Every year, millions of Muslims from all over the world, not only in the Saudi Arabia, all over the world, for Hajj. Hajj means, we can say that, Tirth Yatra, to the two holiest cities, Makkah and Medina. So every year from all over the country, Muslims from all around the world come to Makkah and Medina. They are believed to be the holiest city by Muslims. Okay, why? Because the mosque of Masjid Ali Haram in Makkah, you can see this is Makkah. This place, they all around over here are people. Okay, you see this is Makkah, and the mosque of Masjid Ali Haram in Makkah contains Islam's most sacred means holy, okay, pavitra, sacred place, Kaaba, in the Kaaba, while the mosque of Masjid Ali Nawab in Medina contains the tomb of Prophet Muhammad. Okay, these two places are very holy according to the Islam. Okay, and the Muslim from all around the world visit this place once in their life, in Makkah and Medina and Kaaba. Okay, and where the mosque of Masjid Ali Haram and Masjid Ali Nawabi was there. Okay, who are the founder of the Islam. So however, to the life of the people is changed. Okay, they are not roaming here and there. Life is changed. Many people living in cities with all modern facilities like air-conditioned houses, schools, hospitals, vehicle, supermarket, etc. This has been possible to the economy of the country has improved a lot over the last few years with the discovery of oil fields. So the life of the people is totally changed now over in 20 years only. Why? Because of the oil fields over here. and we are going to discuss about the economy of Saudi Arabia in my next video. Up to now you read this chapter, and if you have any doubt you can ask. But life of Saudi Arabia people is totally changed now. This is the fact. Thank you.